Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a coloring book card. If you've watched the video, geez, I can't speak, where I turned that really crappy AI folio into this coloring book card on the advice of my boyfriend. It's a really cool idea, but I said to him, I'm like, I can do it better not using this base. So I am. I have my card base cut, and then I printed out coloring pages. Now, you can see there's something, my printer needs to be cleaned or something. It's been doing that, but since this is not going to be sent out to anybody, I don't know. I don't have any little kids in my life, you guys. So I'm really doing this as an idea for you guys because I don't have any kids in my life. Little kids anyway. So we're just cutting those in half so they're double-sided and they're going to get nestled inside here. I printed them out on cardstock. Okay, so that's that. I printed them out on cardstock so they'd be a little bit thicker, and that's what I think was screwing up with my printer. Now I used, then we go to 4 1/4, which I hope, okay, good. Whew. I mean, this is just for demonstrative purposes, so if it wouldn't have worked, like oh, it's okay here. And it's okay on the other side. If it wouldn't have worked, I'm just going with it. I did screw up my last ones, and I cut them wrong. So I had to restart the video. I cut them horribly wrong. So here we go. Here's these, and now we're just going to fold them in half and crease them like we would with any card that we're making. And then we're just going to put them in the card. So we're just going to pretend it's stapled, you guys, okay? I really need to get like a long arm stapler or something like that. Have you ever seen one of those? It's literally like a very long stapler that you can staple anywhere. So we're just going to pretend this is stapled, all right? And then we, of course, need to decorate it. And since it's for little kids, I do have little kid birthday paper somewhere. Here it is. You probably can't hear me. I was digging. I had to grab some paper here. So let's see what we got. We're just going to use this. It was already cut into. That says happy birthday, and we're just going to cut a regular mat like we normally would. So 5 1/2, 5 1/4, Amy, 5 1/4, 5 1/4, by 4, and then let's use the same thing and do 3 by 4 for in the middle, so we can stamp something on there like that. Okay. Put this away. Oh, you know what we'll use? We'll use this happy birthday sticker right here. Is what we'll use. Happy birthday. And then is there like a cake? What can we use here? There's this cake. I don't like it though. It's too much. Too much cake. Let's not use this one then, because we're on the struggle bus here, aren't we? We use this cake, and how about this happy birthday? There we go. That's what we'll use. And decorate the front of our card and pretend it's stapled, you guys. Pretend it's stapled. That really bothers me. I'm going to have to invest in one. That's okay. I probably should have had one this whole time. I'm going to be honest, I don't have another stapler. And if I do, I don't know where it is. It's not down here. So we're just going to go with what we have. Okay. Let's take that out so I can actually see. I can't see. It was throwing me off. Okay, so we have that, and let's get it. Let's get these nice and burnished here so they lay a little flatter. I should have printed out with my regular printer and not my I can't think. I'm going to trim this just a tiny bit. It's hanging over, which you will get when you add a bunch of pieces together. That's why your journals will always have overhangs when you do journals. It's because the more papers you stack inside, the more, yeah, I really should have looked at it. Put ink everywhere. Can you see that? I should have used my other one. It's all right. So now I'm just going to get these off because I didn't want them where I put them. And I want to use my thing here to make it look a little bit fancier. Okay, we're going to glue this down, and here we go. Then we're going to put this happy birthday banner down here at the bottom, and our cake. There we go. I swear I would lose my head if it wasn't attached. You guys probably saw that easily. But there we go. A simple birthday card, and then when you open it up, you have little coloring pages, so this will not go to waste, because you know kids aren't keeping birthday cards. But this one, they will. Okay, so before I leave you, two little things. A, make sure you have a stapler. Okay? Thought I had one. That would work. So make sure you have a stapler. And B, don't use a laser jet printer, because look at how bad that the ink transferred. Don't use a laser jet printer. Use your regular, well, most people probably don't have a laser jet. I have both. Because one's a color, the laser jet's just black and white, and I used that when my kid was in school to print all of his stuff, and he'll be using that once he goes back to school to print anything he needs to print now. So there you go. I think this is adorable, and I think any kid would love it. What do you guys think? But yes, a stapler. A stapler would be very handy, so make sure you have one of those. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I do a bunch of fun stuff here. And I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.